super tax for the super rich, or scrap income tax. What would you do if you were made finance minister for 24 hours?
So if there is no consequence for my action as finance minister, I will scrap all taxes for a day, let people enjoy, let them feel happy, and then realization dawns the next day that tax तो भरना पड़ेगा.
आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो सुनने के लिए अच्छा है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है.
One thing I would do is reduce long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains taxes. That's been hurting all equity investors. Would want to get away with it completely.
I'll make it simpler for to file taxes. Tell the income tax department to make a good website.
बहुत महंगा है so I'll reduce the cylinder का भाव.
I will reduce the tax on two-wheelers to 18% from 28% at this point of time.
I would stop doing the union budget announcement as a big spectacle. I would rather announce the budget through a statement on the government's website, which people can actually read and just understand at their own pace, rather than making it a relay race for 1.5 hours.
बहुत सारा पॉपकॉर्न खरीद लेंगे पहले तो. बिजनेस बहुत बड़ा हो सकता है इसका.
Comes to property inheritance, and I would also include an inheritance tax, which would allow people to not have that as much generational wealth as they are having right now.
Ensuring that the rebate process smoothened.
I would finish the budget speech in like 10 minutes and then let everyone read the rest.
What would you do if you were finance minister for a day?
Nothing. Wait, let me think about this properly.
Take care of the popcorn, you take care of the halwa, and I think our food will be sorted finally.
What would you do if you were finance minister for a day?
Wow.
This was NDTV Profit discussing their budget expectations and what would they do if they were made finance minister for a day. But what's your take? What would you do? Let us know in the comments below, and for more, stay tuned to NDTV Profit.